So here's the fun for this weekend. You can see I've got the handlebars pulled off. I had to take off the fake tank. That's a fake tank. Can you believe that? Anyway, and I had to do all of that so that I could get the steering stem and the bearings and the races out, which are all out now, thank goodness. Had a heck of a time with this nut right here. You can see it has these notches in it. Had a heck of a time with it. I couldn't move it. Finally, I put some WD-40 on it. I tried all kinds of things. I tried to make a socket, like they say on YouTube. You can make, or on the forums, you can make sockets. And eventually, what I did was I think the WD-40 just worked. It loosened it up. So you can see I got the whole front end out of this. And over here is the front wheel and the forks, which I just left kind of all intact, which is kind of a neat way to pull the front end apart, because you just use this jack to lift the bike up and the forks come sliding out once you've loosened them all up inside there. So that was good. I'm very excited that I've gotten everything apart. Now, let me just come back over here. You can see, there's my old Susie. What a great bike. Anyway, here are the races that the bearings sit in. Not sure if you can see that, but there's definitely little lines in them, and that causes the steering to be a little choppy. I could feel them, and so the guys that inspected the bike were correct. It needed new bearings, new races. There's one of the bearings that's the upper bearing, I believe, that I took off. And this is the steering stem. So I'm just in the process now of putting all the stems and these races back together, greasing everything up, and then throwing the bike back together again, hopefully this week. Hopefully this week we'll get her back to the shop and get a certification on it. Thanks for watching.